Alright everybody, so I have discovered how to make a VR headset in Minecraft, sort of. So pretty much this consists of many commands here. So tons and tons of commands. Oh yeah, and this stands if there are more, so. But anyway, I was just experimenting around with commands and I discovered a way to make a headset in Minecraft. And once again, it only takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 commands. So 8 command blocks and 2 additional ones if you want to get rid of the chickens. Because for some reason, sometimes there's this bug that like chickens can teleport and it's really annoying. But anyway, the way this works is that if there's an item that's named headset through an anvil, then what will happen is that the item will be instantly killed. It won't always work, but they'll teleport to the headset dimension, which you can customize. It'll be this go back option, so that adds one more command. So pretty much 10 commands in all, I think. Yeah, 10 commands in all. And it's not as hard as it sounds. In here, there'll be 2 necessary spawn eggs. At least they used to be necessary. They're not necessary anymore as they don't work. Since while I was experimenting, these have become unneeded. But how this works, pretty much when I text an item named headset, it doesn't matter what item type it is, but it doesn't matter, once again, but as long as it's named headset, it will work. And it must be an item. Then if you drop it on the ground, like let's say I take these glow berries and I name it headset. I don't think it's case sensitive, I'm not sure. But then when I drop it, it will be teleported to this parallel dimension. However, it won't teleport me to like a specific X and Z coordinate. So let's say that I use the glow berries here, then no, you can easily modify this through the headset command block. Wait, no, through the teleport player command block. Now what this will do is that it will determine the coordinates of where the player is teleporting. So, yeah, that's about all I have to show you. Oh, and these 2 extra ones are just the anti-chicken, anti-drops one. I hope you enjoyed.